50 miles away from us. Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's hella spinning.
It's like really spinning.
Oh, dude, it really probably is a tornado. Look at that shit. It's getting lower.
Oh,
Holy shit.
Holy shit, it's coming down.
Hey, can we go to the dome?
It is.
Emery, we're south of it. When the tornado is north of you, it can't move south.
Yeah, the farther shoot, it's going down.
Oh my god. It's a real. Holy shit. Go get Roman. Sorry. Oh, that is one, dude. Look at it. Dude, I've never seen a tornado in my life. This is awesome. It's headed northeast, so we're good. Oh my god, dude.
Taking a selfie in front of the tornado.
Forming in our backyard.
Hi guys.
There is a real tornado right now.
Yeah, we got the alert.
Oh my gosh, there's a tornado right there.
It's crazy.
A tornado's forming right there.
Roman, tornado right there.
A tornado's
Look.
forming right there.
It's coming down. Look at that.
Wait, it's actually moving down.
Oh my god, look at that. It's amazing.
Where's the tornado? I don't care. Somebody see it coming. I don't care. Meeny, meeny, miny, moe,
Yeah, like our phone started ringing very loud. It hit shelter.
Let me call you back, Hazley. Shoot, it's oh my
Holy
god.
crap. Look, it's like sucking up these clouds right here.
Turn more.
It's slowing, it's still spinning, but it's like, it's slowing down and picking back up.
What if the whole thing comes
Dude, that's some serious rotation right there. That's spinning. You guys see that? It's spinning right there. That's insane. Firefighters going over there now. Holy crap, look at that. Dude, that's gonna come down. Shit. What? We're fine. They just put it on for that. Where are you going? It's right there.
It's going that way.
Yeah. It's crazy. Look at that. Holy crap, look how big that is. Oh, look, there it is. There it is. It's coming down. Dude, it's calm as shit right now. It's crazy.
I've never seen that before.
I knew we were going to spot one at some point.
I hope it doesn't come.
It's not coming over here. It's going that way.
Oh yeah, did you see that? Oh my god. I just saw it. It was
Yep.
coming down for a second. Look at that car over by it. It's right there. It's not even,
Dude, look at that. That's
it's not
crazy.
even like a quarter mile from us. That car's stalking it, like trying to chase it or something.
This is my first time.
It's not moving tornadoes.
Yeah, it's about a mile away. Yeah, that is coming down.
The tornado sirens are going off in Enid.
I know. Oh, it's down. Look, it's on the ground. Look.
No.
Oh my God.
No, I'm scared. No, I'm
Be
scared.
careful. It's not coming over here. We're in a safe spot. It's already hitting the dirt. Dude, there's 2 of them.
Oh my God.
This is crazy. You hear the siren?
610.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. It just touched right now. We already saw it on the ground.
This is actually insane.
Are you guys recording it? Getting recorded.
Yeah, I see all I see.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
It's between our house and Vance Air Force.
Dude, look at that. Dude, watch it come fully.
Oh my God, dude, it touched. It touched.
It's on the ground.
It's on the ground. Dude, it's
Oh,
on the ground.
holy.
Holy shit, I gotta go.
Holy shit.
I'll call you back.
Oh my God.
Holy.
A real tornado.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. I just saw it.
Daker's right here. We're all fine. We're just watching a tornado casually in our backyard. Holy crap, look at that. Yep. Me witnessing a tornado in real time in my backyard. This is crazy. Daker, it's a tornado, look!
Where's Chetty?
tornado.
Can someone go get Chetty?
Where's
Go
Chetty?
find Chetty?
Go get
Where?
Chetty.
We have a tornado warning. That's
Holy crap, look at that shit take off right now. Oh my God.
Dad, we have to go to the dome.
No, we don't. It's going that way. Holy shit. It's headed for Vance Air Force Base right now.
Holy. This is so cool.
Oh my God.
Tornado in Waukomis.
Yep. I've been recording for 9 straight minutes. Dude, that thing's huge. Look how big that is.
Okay, I'm calling it.
Oh my God. Dude, it's hitting Vance Air Force Base right now.
Oh my God, wait. What if you see like buildings and shit?
Hi, there's a tornado behind
Which
me.
way is that moving?
It's heading north.
No, it's not. It's
So
cool.
it's not north.
Northeast. Now it's going east.
No, it's
Dude, that's
not.
crazy. And it's totally calm over here by our house.
Not.
It is totally calm. There's hardly any wind. And there's a freaking tornado right there.
They really think it's fake.
Macy!
No, that's not me.
Who is it?
That's no.
Who is it? Who is it? Can you please tell me who it is? I think that's Logan right there.
Yeah. Dude, oh my God, look at that. It's going across the highway right now. Look at it just sucking up the whole atmosphere right now. Damn. It's hitting Vance Air Force directly. Holy shit, look at that.
I
No, it's getting bigger.
The cloud around it is getting smaller. I can see like stuff in it. It's just tearing apart.
It is.
Everything. Emberlyn, there's a tornado behind me. There's a tornado behind me. Bye. There's a tornado behind me. What? Really.
That is crazy.
Emberlyn, it's getting bad. It's getting bad. Look.
I think we should, I don't know what we should do.
That's not moving. It's not sticking.
It's like standing still.
It's moving
Northeast. I just hope it don't move back this way. Hope we don't lose our power.
That's not near Tristan.
No. That's in Enid. Holy shit, it's like stationary.
Alex is in my backyard. Guys, you see that? A tornado hasn't happened in like 54 years. Okay, now a tornado
Oh my god. You guys come out here if you want to see it a little more. You know. It's so calm and warm over here. What a trip.
Not knowing. I thought it was just going to be like a walk-off. It turned into a freaking tornado, you guys. It turned into a freaking tornado. Serenity? I think that's like coming to
Yeah, that thing is tearing shit up.
I'm shaking right now. I'm gonna have to be after that. Yeah.
You scared? Look. You can see how big they are, but like
It's not moving, Dad.
it's gonna keep going that way.
No, Dad, it's not moving. If it's not moving, that means it's coming towards us.
Nah, calm down.
It means it's moving that way.
It's going, the wind is pushing all the clouds northeast.
If it stops moving, the cloud going away. That has to be an EF3.
Dude, that's like an EF2 or 3. Holy crap. Look, it's just tearing buildings up. Oh my god. Oh my god, you see that?
Oh my god!
It just took up like a whole
Tornado.
holy
Okay, I'm adding Macy.
Like I was telling your wife, I've never actually got to see one like this.
wow.
I drove through one, but it was raining so hard I couldn't see anything. But it was rocking my 3/4 ton pickup trying to flop it on its side.
Jeez. I'm shaking too much. Kill the cameraman. Damn. It's so eerie how calm it is right here. It just tore up a whole building right there.
Did it actually?
Yeah, it just sucked it up like it was nothing.
Did you record it?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Macy, look. Macy.
Tornado, that's a tornado, Dicker. You see it? It's a tornado. Say tornado. It's a tornado. You see it?
See what this tornado.
Oh, there's not another one.
My son's fiance, son and his fiance was over at the house.
Yeah.
She's like, oh my God, do you have a storm shelter? I'm like, yep, right here. Whole line of portable ones.
That's funny. Oh wow, we got another storm coming. No, that's a Did the power just go out? No, we're good. It's gonna tear up those power lines over there, though.
When was the last time a tornado happened?
More than a decade.
I don't know.
What is so dark this tornado?
That's kind of south a little bit now.
Yeah. Moving south?
It's a great tornado.
I know. It's like shifting. It's still headed east though, because it started right here and then went that way.
The car van comes down.
So it's headed east right now.
It's a tornado.
It looks like it's kind of moving south.
South is towards us, right?
Almost. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Oh no.
We could have gone to the dump. Evelyn, I'm gonna meet you outside, okay? Actually, no, because I don't want
Oh no.
Oh no.
Probably.
Tornado.
Evelyn, we might not have any.
They're calling tornado.
Let's just hope everybody's all right out there.
By the way, it ripped down a building.
It did not rip.
It did. I watched it get sucked up, Jaden. I have it on video.
It was a building.
Or a house. I don't know. Or a barn.
A building implies it's like pretty big.
That's crazy.
Evelyn,